So today we're going to do the starting procedure for the TP690 Flail Mower. We start on-off switch to on, fuel to on, choke to on. Small amount of revs, and then round to this side and start. As soon as the engine's started, turn the choke off. Initially with these machines, when you engage the blades, the throttle needs to be on full. If you try and start it, the blades with the throttle not on full, because of the weight of the blades, it will stall the engine. It will also make quite a loud noise when the blades engage. This is perfectly normal. It's just the weight of the blades starting to turn. Once you've got the blades turning, then obviously you can slow the revs down if need be. But I would suggest when you're cutting, I'd run this machine in full power. So now we're going to look at the controls on the TP690 Flail Mower. We'll start with the throttle. Maximum, minimum. Then we have the drive. This is the one, this lever drives the wheels. So if you need it to stop, you release it. The one on the left is what engages the flails, the blades. Under levers, left turn, right turn. So the only reason you need to touch those levers is to turn left or turn right.